That's scary, bro. Because you can't see it. You have no idea. It could be like crazy steep and flip over and die. Who the hell would make a road like that?
So today we are out at Reyes Campground. It's been a while since we've been camping, but happy to be out here again. We have the Fujifilm X100v and the Bronica SQA. I wanted to shoot film and digital both. So we're gonna go around, take some pictures, and really just enjoy being out here again. We're only here for one night, and then we're gonna go to Santa Barbara and then maybe get some pictures there too. So I'll just have a collection of GoPro images and also, or GoPro video, and then also, you know, the film and the digital images to share with you guys. And it should be pretty fun. So we'll go ahead and see what we get. So I picked up an inflatable sleeping mat to add to my kind of camping setup, and it's actually really awesome. I'm pretty excited to use it because last time I was out camping, or one of the last times, I didn't have a sleeping mat and we were sleeping on snow basically, and it was super cold. But now I've got this, so it should be a pretty comfortable sleep. They never come back. Oh yeah. Sick. What the heck? Nice. That's pretty sick. Mini tripod. All right, let's get to it. Oh God. Oh, I'm tired. Oh my God. It's steep, dude. Ah! Oh, dude, that looks eerie. There's Elden Ring. Oh, wow, look at that. That's nice. We're back at the camp, and for this shot, we're gonna use the Bronica. You're not in my vlog. Do you actually? Liar. Oh, the flaring's so strong. Yeah, I'd have to get it from the other side. It's not the same shot though, but Oh, dang.
Law bugs.
Ah!
Yes, shit.
Alright, that's a roll. Just kidding. I only had about 2 shots left in that roll. So I'm gonna unwind this, load it up with another one.
Hey GoPro, how you doing?
I don't even know.
It's me.
Hey, beers.
Who wants this one?
What you wearing? I'm like, take it off.
Chill, bro. You're on camera.
I'll wear this.
You hold this.
Oh, careful. Oh, the back might fall stickies.
Or like that adhesives the Fuji ones have.
Oh, you need to do that?
Yeah, I have to lick this one. Close it. Alright, what should I load up?
What you got?
Portra 400 and Pro 400H. Basically the same ones Fuji ones.
I said to hold it,
I
bro.
did hold it. I didn't know that was gonna fall.
Okay.
I thought this was gonna fall off. What you just shoot?
I just shot Portra.
Alright, use Fuji.
Alright, Fuji's going in. Go.
We only have like 3 logs left.
What? This guy sucks.
See? I can't do it.
Rolling. Rolling.
Hey, low-key, we should get some wood, bro.
Hey, you guys get the wood, and I'll just stay here and watch the fire.
Maybe I should go myself.
What the fuck? Why? What are you doing with the hands? What are we doing with the hands?
Director here.
Cut! Rolling.
I'll just go by myself then.
Alright, so this is day 2. Dang, dude, it's so quiet out here. Alright, so as I mentioned yesterday, we're shooting Fuji Pro 400H right now. This stock got discontinued last year, at the end of last year, so I only have a few rolls, but I think this deserves it. Oh, damn, that's dope. Yeah, you look pretty cool, dude.
Thanks. My ass hurts though.
I was changing the battery on my GoPro. I broke my ND filter. Okay. Oh, we got the V.
Fuck. Take that shit. Wound it up.
Wow. What angle do you want?
The best one.
And how do I,
Alright, slide that thing all the way
Okay.
down. When you press the right button, it'll shoot.
yeah.
But in that way, it's full body.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. You can't. Oh. I'll get you, or pretend like you're taking a picture.
Why pretend we're actually taking?
No. Okay. No, but don't actually take one yet. That is the exact thing alright with you in this situation.
So strong. I think say fart.
No. This guy looks like he's in a safari.
Should about a gun.
For what? Yeah.
Jump off, destroy my knees.
Don't. Oh god.
How do you get up there? Go put your foot on the seat thing. You see it?
What seat thing?
Yeah, right there. They put one foot on the door, like the top
door. Oh.
What should I do? Smiling cool.
Both. Okay. All right, we are wrapping up here. We're gonna pick up at the next spot. What'd you say?
Alright, Andre, give your phone. Where's your phone? Hey, take it.
Take my shoes off. Right. 3, 2, sick.
Hey.
It's probably like a local dog. Dang, it's aesthetic app though.
This guy, fucking dog, so chill. Hey.
It looks so cool. Alright, so we are back home now. I've taken a look at the film, scanned, developed them and whatnot, and I've also edited the x100v photos, taking a look at those as well, and I have a few thoughts I kind of want to share on the whole, I don't know, trip and experience. I feel like I made a lot of mistakes this time around, but that's kind of what happens when you're trying to enjoy a trip, but you're also trying to take photos, and there's all this stuff happening. So there's one big problem that I always have with the Bronica, and that's I forget that I leave the multiple exposure dial on. So there's a switch on the side that the red button shows if the multiple exposure is on, and it's off when it's not. And I always forget to check whether everything is correct because I'm kind of really used to the x100v where I just point and shoot and I don't worry about the settings too much because I have my settings dialed in. But with film and stuff like that, it's a little bit different. So a lot of shots that I got on the trip that would have probably ended up pretty well, I ended up like compiling them into 2 multiple exposures. So I'm pretty sad about that, but well, if I didn't learn my last time around, I better learn this time, right? So hopefully I'm not gonna make that mistake again. I gotta just remember to check my settings before I shoot with a film camera and take my time when it comes to that. The x100v photos I was actually pretty happy about for the most part. I think the motion blur photo I got with the water, that was something I was kind of reminding myself to do every time I got the chance, but I just never really got myself out to find any running water anyways. But the mini tripod helped for sure, and I think the photo came out pretty well. Another thing about film that I want to mention is that it's something I've noticed is that it's tough shooting and taking photos in harsh lighting with film. I'm not entirely sure what to expose for. Typically I just expose for my subject, but I noticed that you can't really expose for your highlights and your shadows at the same time, and so you'll end up with super overexposed highlights or super underexposed shadows or whatever, especially in harsh lighting. So this desert day we were taking photos and it was really hard to get the right even exposure, but I think that's something that kind of comes with film because you can't really expose for everything at the same time. So hopefully, I don't know, hopefully I'll figure out a way to do it or just figure out a preference that I have for exposure. But I really didn't like how some of the photos came out where the skies were so vastly different in exposure than, you know, the midtones and then the shadows. You can tell the development kind of came out different. The blues were a bit harsh, and I don't know, just overall maybe I should just shoot film at golden hour so I don't have to worry too much about that harsh lighting sort of thing, and then stick to digital when there is uneven lighting and whatnot. So who knows? Seems like just another thing I'm gonna have to figure out in the future, but we'll kind of take it one by one. Maybe I'll just have to shoot black and white more often in film so I don't have to worry too much about colors changing and shifting like that. Anyways, if you guys liked the video, which hopefully you did, please like the video down below, subscribe to this channel for more stuff, and then hopefully I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace.